I've really been playing around a lot with the whole concept of like revealing things with the smartboard, and I really like this activity for that. So this is one that I do with my labor doulas. Basically, we've got some green squares, some blue squares, and some yellow squares. And what they need to do is they're going to erase one of each square. So what do we got here? This is swaying. So we're going to be swaying in this one. We've got kneeling and a chair. So then the doula is having to think of some sort of position that we can do using a chair, kneeling, and swaying. I like this activity because it gets the doulas out of their head a little bit, makes them think on their feet and using basically what's around them instead of just what they've learned by reading something from a book. So yeah, this is kind of fun. I really like, I think it's a bit of a mystery and a surprise as you're revealing something. I think that's why it's so fun. And it's everybody laughs as we're kind of doing it together, and we're all thinking of activities we can do, especially when you get hard combinations and you're not really sure how you're gonna put them together. So hope you like that activity.